Hello, you're welcome to class. In this video we'll be looking at construction of plane scale, how to construct plane scale. We have a question here I want us to consider together. The question says construct a scale of 1:60 to read meter and decimeter and long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Measure on it a distance of 5.4 meters and 8.8 meters. That is, after we finish constructing the scale, we are going to measure length of 5.4 meter and 3.8 meters. So I will be teaching us as well how to take measurement from the scale. So let's quickly look at this. Now, in my previous video I told us that when a question like this is given, we are told to construct a scale, we need to identify if the scale is a plane scale or diagonal scale. Okay, now if you look at the question, in the question it's not stated that we should construct a plane scale, but how do we know? You will see that the unit of measurement is 2, maximum unit of measurement 2. We're only taking reading for meters and decimeters. Okay, and the readings we are to take is just 5.4 meters and 3.8 meters. So this will tell us that it's a plane scale. So the other things you need to know again from the previous video I did, we have to get the representative fraction, and in this question the representative fraction is given to us as 1:60. So that is given to us, so we know that the unit to be shown on the scale is meters and decimeters. So you see that now. Then the next thing we find out again is the maximum length of the scale. What is the maximum length? The maximum length of the scale is 6 meters, because the question says and long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, so the only thing that we need to calculate now is length of scale. We need to know the length of scale. We need to calculate the length of scale. How do we calculate the length of scale? We are going to say that the representative fraction multiplied by the maximum length. So in this question now, the representative fraction given to us is 1:60. So let me quickly do that so that you can see. 1:60 multiplied by the maximum length of the scale, which is 6. The maximum length of the scale is 6, so 6 meters. So changing this to centimeter now, because we are going to be using a centimeter ruler to measure our measurement. Okay, to take our measurement. So this will be 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So this now is 1/60 multiplied by 600. So here now these zeros goes, so we have here 60/6. Yeah, so that will give us 10 centimeter. So that means the length of the line I'm going to be drawing now is 10 centimeter. That is the length of the scale I'm going to be drawing now. So the first thing I will do, I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay, draw a straight line. Then on that line, let's take a point. If I take this point, I can call this point A. Then I'm going to measure 10 centimeter on that line. Don't forget we calculated the length of scale. We calculated length of scale to be 10 centimeter. Don't forget. So I'll measure 10 centimeter. So this is my 10 centimeter. So I can call this part now B. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the height of the scale. The height of the scale. Now for the height of the scale, you can use any height of your choice, any convenient height of your choice. Okay, so let me take height, any convenient height of choice. Okay, I want to take height let me take height 1 2. Let's take our height to be 2 2 times, I'm starting from 1, so 1 2. So the starting point is 1, so don't be confused by these 3. So this is 1 2. Okay, so the next thing I will do, I will draw the height. Draw the height. Okay. Okay. So this is my length of scale, okay, with the height stated there. So the next thing I'll be doing now is that I'll be dividing this length of scale into 6 equal parts. Why am I dividing into 6 equal parts? Okay, we are told that the scale is long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Okay, then each division will represent 1 meters. Okay, so that is why I'm dividing into 6. So I can use method of line division here to divide this side. So at this point now, I will extend my compass to any convenient radius. Okay, I will step off 6 times. Okay, 1 2 5 6. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we join 6 to be this way. Then the next thing I will do, draw parallel lines. So put your set square this way and your ruler right behind it. So draw that. Okay. Then okay. So the next thing I will do, from this point, I'm going to project, I'm going to draw a line, vertical line, up, up, like that. So each of these my division represents 1 meters. So 1 meters, 1 meters, 1 meters, 1 meters up to 6. So this side is the meter side. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I will need to get the decimeter partner. So I will pick this side. Okay, so I will number this scale like this. I will start here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this division, this side, okay, since we are having 10 decimeter equals to 1 meter, so I will be dividing this side AO into 10 equal parts as well. So I'll quickly do this. So I can do that like this now using the same place. So draw this, then I will step off 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I will join the last part there, join it to O. Yes, because I'm dividing, I just want to divide this AO. That is why I did that. So very quickly, you slide to it like that. So you keep going, you patiently do that. Okay, do not be in rush so that it won't be wrong. So you go up like that. And finally this. Okay, so we have that. Then the next thing, from this point now, draw a straight line, a vertical line like this. Shift it, make sure the lines are perpendicular, yes, it won't be straight like that. So to the next point like that. So that has been done. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to number this place backwards like this. So this is 0. So if this is 0, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, like that. Okay, all right. Or if you don't want it to be rough, so you can just jump a line. So we start 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 8, and 10 that way. So the scale has been constructed now. So this side this side of the scale, this side of the scale is my decimeter, part. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, we are told, very important aspect of the question, we are told that we should measure on it a distance of 5.4 meter and 3.8 meters. Now, to take the measurement of 5.4 meters, this one means 5 meters 4 decimeter, 5 meters 4 decimeter. So this one means 3 meters 8 decimeter. So let's take it one by one. So the first one is 5.4. So I will go to where I have 5. This is 5. Okay, so at this point here, just draw a straight line up like this, okay, on the scale. Then come to this side, read this behind this, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this length here will give me 5.4 meters. Then for the other one, 3.8 meters. So I will go to 3. This is 3. This is 3. And 3.8 will come to 8. This is 8. So on this scale now, so this is 3.8 meters. I hope this is clear. So I believe that if you practice constantly, you'll be able to get it. It is as easy as this. So if this is the first time you are coming across my video, please, you can subscribe, like and share, and also share to your friends who offer technical drawing. Thank you very much for staying tuned. In my next video, I'm going to be taking diagonal scales, so please stay tuned. Thank you very much.